Still, I am on the way, but I have to be take you right now. So, hello everyone. I am Chef Hina Shoaib from Saudi Arabia. Before I begin, I want to say that I am deeply thankful and I truly appreciate this initiative. Thank you, the AI Tab 2.0 Bootcamp by GSLSN and the Impact Academy. And I am grateful to be this space for us to learn and lead. So, I look at the world through two very specific lenses: the precisation of a food and scientist, and a passion of a chef. So, in my world, everything depends on two things: the quality of your ingredients and the trust your guests have in your kitchen. So, today we are talking about a powerful new ingredients being added to our organization. It's artificial intelligence. But as a scientist, I know that if a formula is even slightly off, the whole batch is ruined. And as a chef, I know that if the balance isn't right, the dish become bitter. That is why we must talk about AI equity and the trust, not abstract ideas, but as our core operating system. In my lab, I would never trust a result if I didn't understand the process that created it. The same rule must apply to our offices. So, real trust happens when AI is explainable. We cannot afford black box technology where we are don't understand how to a decision was made. So the transparency is our open kitchen policy. So when the people understand that why, they stop fearing and the technology and they are starting using it to innovate. So now let's talk about the equity. So in food science, we are always on the lookout for the contaminant. In the world of AI, if we are talk about, so that contaminant is bias. If we train our AI on old biased data, so we are simply automating the mistakes of the past. So equity means that ensuring that AI tools serve everyone from our junior staff to our senior directors. So we need to treat bias like a food safety hazards. So we must audit it, test for it, and remove it before it ever reaches the table. So, as a chef, I also know that one fundamental truth that a machine can chop vegetables perfectly, but it can never taste the soup. It doesn't have the soul, intention that, or the empathy of the human being, like just we are. So, in this organization, we should adopt the sauce chef model. Let the AI be our sauce chef. Let it handle the heavy data and the repetitive task. But the head chef, the human, must always make the final call. So every decision that affect a human life must be made a person with a heart. To wrap up, AI is going to change how we work, but it must not change who we are. If we lead the equity and the build on trust, so we won't just be a faster organization, we will be a better one. Let's make sure that everyone has a seat at the table and the recipe for success is shared to by all. So I think you all people would be agree or not agree, but thank you so much for your time today, and I'm looking forward to our discussions. Thank you so much. Even